Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be opening the February 2020 Allure Beauty Box. So usually just ship it in this box. This is wrapped in shrink wrap and they usually put a label on the back. So I'm just going to cut it open with this cutter. They usually post spoilers of these boxes online, but I don't remember what's in it this month. So when you first open the box, they usually have this sort of mini magazine. Inside it, they have information about the different products and why they chose them, and they often have discount codes. For example, this one is 20% off Allure Beauty. I like how they have different stories about the people using the products and why they like them. It kind of gives it a more personal appeal than some other boxes. The products themselves are wrapped in this fun sort of red tissue paper. So the first item this month is the Allure Beauty Wondrous Glow Highlighter in the shade After Hours. This is a beautiful kind of pale gold shade. It has a nice kind of subtle gold shimmer to it. I wouldn't call it like a blinding highlight, but it's just a really beautiful kind of soft shimmer. I really like shades like this because I feel like they're great kind of everyday highlighters. They aren't too chunky or glittery, but they just add that kind of lit from within glow. I'm excited to be able to have the chance to try out something else from Allure Beauty. I really like their Unlashed Curl and Volume Mascara, and so I've been wanting to try more stuff from them. Next we have a makeup brush from NYX. This one is number 03, which they call the Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing Brush. I'm actually really excited about this one because I can always use really nice synthetic brushes. This one feels super soft. I've enjoyed products from NYX in the past. They're a great cruelty-free drugstore brand. I never had the chance to try their brushes. This one normally costs $17. I think it would be really great for like powder or bronzer or blush or something like that. If you've been enjoying this video, please like or consider subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 10 a.m. Central, and I'd love to see you there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first to watch my new videos. Next we have the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. This seems to be a water-based serum that helps kind of restore your skin's vitality. So let's try a little bit out. Seems to be kind of a light, sort of runny serum. It has kind of a light, soft floral citrus scent, and it seems to be absorbing quickly as well. It feels a tiny bit sticky where I rubbed it in, but overall it's not too bad. I've used Bare Minerals makeup on and off over the years and I really enjoy it, so I'm excited to have the chance to try out one of their skincare products. Next is the Belief Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream. They say it's made with peat extract and shea butter. It's supposed to be really good at sort of hydrating the eye area. It has kind of a light, soft scent to it. It's relatively thick in the jar, but it seems to rub on easily and absorbs well. I always like to use eye creams under my makeup, so I'll definitely be testing this one out and see how it works. Next we have the Honey Jarrett Super Beauty Mask. It says that the mask itself is a pink lemonade shade and it has sort of a fragrance to it. This one is the rose variety. They say it's supposed to help brighten and calm your skin and also leave it moisturized. I typically use a face mask about once a week, so I think this one will be fun to try out. Next we have the Appeal Ultra Creme Lipstick in the shade Muse. This is supposed to be kind of the perfect rose shade. It looks a little bit bright on me, so I'm kind of curious to see how it looks on the lips. So let's wipe this one off. And we'll put this one on. Definitely has a bit of brightness to it. They say this is kind of an essential rose shade. On me it ends up being kind of a bright pink. I don't know if I would necessarily wear it with this eye look. I'd probably tone down my eyes and do something a little more subtle if I was going to wear a shade like this. Ultimately, I don't reach for bright pinks a lot, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one very often. But it is a nice creamy formula and an absolutely beautiful shade of pink. So it's nice to have a color like this in my collection. I also wanted to point out how interesting this packaging is. This is the Dior Addict Stellar Shine, and they're almost identical packaging styles. So if you are looking for something in a similar package to like a Dior lipstick, this might be an interesting option. Last we have the Olay Retinol 24. This is the bonus item this month, and usually it's something like eye drops or perfume or something that's paid for by the company. I don't typically use a lot of Olay products, and I kind of have been avoiding retinol recently, so I don't know if I'll use this, but I'll probably save it to give away. At about $12 a month, the Allure Beauty Box typically contains about 5 to 7 items, and 2 of them are always full-sized. My favorite products this month were definitely this NYX makeup brush. I love how soft these bristles are, and I think this is definitely one that I will be reaching for. I also really love this Allure Beauty highlighter in the shade After Hours. I've enjoyed products from this company before, and I love how this is just one of those subtle shimmery highlighters. I don't know how much use I'll get out of the other skincare products in this box, but considering it would have cost me $17 alone to buy that brush, it more than paid for the box by itself. I'll probably stay subscribed to the Allure Beauty Box at least another couple of months because I'm excited to see what they're doing next. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd love to hear what your current favorite makeup or skincare product is. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.